Okay, so let's have a look at the next setting, which is files. Now, if you're thinking, my God, this course is very boring, I promise you that things will get more exciting as we go along, but we just need to, I just want to make you aware of this dull stuff just to get going. So please bear with me. This is kind of very essential. It's very important. So anyway, here we are on files. This is easy. It's basically just an area where you are going to store all of your images and all of your videos and any other documents you might upload or have during the course of your store. You're going to find it all here if you're looking for it in the future. And of course you can upload stuff. So let me just upload something quickly, show you how that would look. So there we go, I just picked a random image off my computer and yeah, there we go, there's an image and all your other files are going to appear here in a very nice ordered fashion. So that's that. Let's head back to settings. The next one we're going to get into is payments.